Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. It is Thursday today. It is raining and storming, and I love a good thunderstorm, but I do not love it when you have a toddler because you can't go outside, can't get fresh air, can't go for a long walk. All the things I love to do, we are trapped. We are stuck inside, and I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with Oakley. Teddy's going crazy. It's a lot. I don't like putting the TV on all day, although Miss Rachel definitely helps. I just can't listen to her voice for that long. But anyways, I wanted to do kind of like an organize with me because there's a lot to organize, and since we're gonna be stuck inside all day, I was like, why not just pull out the camera and organize all the stuff that I want to do, like my purse, some of my makeup drawers, skincare, sunscreens. Like I just wanna organize and get things done today. What is it, baby? And hope that we're not super cranky just because we're stuck inside. Also, it was Scott's birthday yesterday, and I got him this cake. It is beautiful. We already ate some of it, so it doesn't look as pretty, but I will insert pictures. But look at this. It's a brookie cake. Oh my God, heavenly. There's so many layers, and it's like cookie dough, brownie, chocolate. Oh, so good. Also, on a healthier note, these nectarines from Trader Joe's are on another level. They're so delicious and juicy. But yeah, we had some of this. I'm gonna give like half of it to my dad because I shouldn't be eating this. And yeah, so I'm gonna give that to my dad. Also, I got my nails done, and I got this really pretty pink. She like mixed two colors, and I'm obsessed. It's like a really pretty like Barbie pink. Love them. And yeah, I ended up putting like post-it notes on the side because I'm like, oh, let's do a sensory activity. He was like, what are we doing? This isn't fun. So we're trying to figure it out today, but I'm going to take you guys with us with this organizing journey. I also want to do these shelves over because we kind of just put clutter there, and I feel like I hate that. But first we're going to start with my purse because there's a lot in here, and I'm like, what's going on? We should organize. Oakley's on a mission right now of collecting all the Play-Doh and putting it on top of the couch. Oakley, can you say hi to Isley? Can you say hi to Isley? She watches you. Yeah, say hi. Say hi, Isley. We just wanted to give a little shout out to Isley because she watches our videos, and Jessica. And now let's get to organizing my purse. Okay, let's work on this purse. So I'm gonna take everything out because I don't even know what I have in here, but I do have a lot of lip products, Carity, Too Faced gloss. I don't know why I have this foundation in here, but I'll take it out. A cover to Sol de Janeiro. Oh my God, I've been obsessed with this scent. The new Bella Flor. Oh my God, it's so good. I just got the fragrance because that's how good it is. Let's just take a handful. What, baby? Okay, Tide to Go, Patrick Ta. Whoa. Like, I don't need to carry this much makeup in here, but oh my God, I forgot I had that. This little vibrating thing for your face. It's like a little facial massager. So good. Is this a gift card? I probably don't have anything left, but ow, I just pricked my finger, I'm pretty sure. Oh, okay. This and a fortune. Let's see what the fortune says. Let's hope it's a good one. The most difficult thing to be is what other people want you to be. Wow. I think I just spit. Wow. Moving on, I have a burp cloth. I have these little disinfecting wipes. This bronzer I got double of. Sephora sent me a second one because I don't know, something got messed up with shipment. Oh boy. I have a couple of samples. I never use these foundation samples that come in like a sheet. I just don't. I'm gonna throw that in the wash. My deodorant, I love this deodorant. I actually need a new one though. I want a deodorant that lightens my underarms or my armpits because my armpits are darker. So I need to get like a lightening deodorant. So if you guys know of any, let me know. Oh, these are old Bombas. Let's toss that. Another cloth. Oh, a smush bar. This looks like all trash, so I'm gonna empty this out, throw out those little candies because I don't need them. Yeah, I'm gonna just get rid of this. Okay, last one, we have supply. $1. Ooh, okay. Yes, yes, yes. I doubt there's anything on that Victoria's Secret card, but we will check it. Supply. Another $1. Fragrance. Oh, yes. This lipstick is so good. Interview by Huda Beauty. Wow. And then a couple more fortunes. Let's see. I love fortune cookies. Life is like a dog sled team. If you ain't the lead dog, the scenery never changes. Okay. This one's going to be a good one. I can feel it in my bones. The secret that leads to many goals is tenacity. Tenacity. Okay, I don't like that one. Hair elastic and a penny. Okay, I'm going to clean this out. Put everything back in. That's Teddy. This is a lot. Okay, I put everything back in, but pretty much I didn't put half of things back because I don't really need a lot of that makeup in there, and then the wipes I don't really need. So yeah, this is nice and clean and a lot lighter now. And I realized my wallet's not in here, so gotta find that. My mom is watching Oakley for a second while I just quickly clean up. So I'm gonna save these because we don't need to waste them, but I'm gonna pick up this area and then I'm going to start a little bit on my makeup. Oh, I'm out of breath because I just ran. He actually bashed his face on this yesterday and he had like a little bit of a black eye, but looks better today. I clean up these toys. I mean, if you're a parent, then you know. Picking up toys, you do it at least 25 times a day. So I'm just gonna put all of this in here. I'm gonna refill his water. Hi, Puffin. Puffin got groomed. He's so cute. The cutest baby I've ever seen. Okay. Do that. Gotta wipe down this table because it's gross. So I have to do something with everything up here because one of the little, oh, you can see my pink better right here. One of the cups that held all of my brushes fell off and broke, so I have to do that, but I might actually wash my brushes today. I just said that in like a slur. Let me show you what I'm working with because I did a couple of summer drawers. I feel like it's just so dark in here today. So this is one of my summer drawers. I told you guys that I got this spray and oh my god, it smells so good. So this is a new one from Sol de Janeiro, and I'm pretty sure they're coming out with 3 more that I saw on Trend Mood, but this one smells so good. I also got a new eye cream because I told you guys I needed a new day eye cream. So this is the Summer Fridays Light Aura Vitamin C and Peptide Eye Cream. So I haven't tried this yet. I don't know. And then I just got a little sample. Teddy, that's not yours, baby. That's not yours. I got a little sample of the Laura Mercier Liquid Blush in Provence. And Michaela gave me this. I've been using this. It's the Water Bank from Laneige Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. I do really like this. So, a couple of updates with that. This Benefit blush came broken, so I'm waiting for a new one. But Ulta packaged it in a super flimsy package. And I was like, of course it's gonna get broken in this. I knew it was broken as soon as I saw the package. I was like, how can they ship it in this? But they're sending me a new one, and if it comes broken again, I guess I just have to return it because it's a pretty color, but completely shattered. And then in this one, so these are the drawers that I already did. I told you guys that I got this Maylis products to try out, all about like tightening, firming your legs, your butt, everything like that, your stomach. So I used the Be Thick. I used the booty ones so far. And last night I used the Booty Enhancing Mask. Oh no, I used the Lift and Firm Buttocks Mask. When I tell you my ass was on fire, I'm like, what is going on? Apparently that's normal, like a warming sensation, but my ass was on fire for like an hour and a half. I also tried these out too. I don't have an opinion yet, so I'll keep you guys updated. I don't think it's like an instant thing, but I also didn't take photos, so maybe I need to do that and test it out. I put all of my sunscreens in this little guy, and then this is just some other like summery products. But I do want to do this drawer with you guys today because this is a lot and just a mess. It's like my everyday makeup, but I want to do this. But I probably have to get Oakley first. So this is a clutter. We got the Charlotte Tilbury drawer. I still have to get some WD-40. W40? What? WD-40? I don't know. Foundation drawer. I want to start using the sponge because this, let's toss this right now. So yeah, let's toss this. The last thing I want to do today is just organize the countertop. There's all hair right there from Scott's shaving. It's like all men, I feel, like shaving your face over the sink. So I gotta do that. I gotta do this, gotta do that, and then I'll do these drawers. And that will be my vlog for today because I might actually go for a walk because it seems like the rain is stopping and we gotta get out. So I think I might actually do that first. We'll see. I just need to get him like tired and less cranky. So let's do that because I want him to nap really well. Went for a 20-minute walk and got caught in the rain. It said when I looked that it wasn't raining, so it was fine, and then all of a sudden it started downpouring. Oakley got his little pants wet, but that's about it because he had his little overhang. But Mama got soaked. Oh my god, I feel like bugs are crawling on me, but I think it's just like raindrops falling. Oh, thank you for taking my elastic out. Thank you. Don't eat it though. Yuck. Yuck. Say no, no, no. Say no, no, no. Is Teddy tickling you? Look at his little curl. Is Teddy tickling you? Teddy, you love Oakley? You love him? Oh my goodness. Careful. Oh, he took your lion. He took your lion. Okay, let's go through this drawer. Let's see if we can get through it. This Milk Mascara, I have tried this and I do like it. This is a new one though. So I want to keep it in this drawer just because it's newer and I want to actually use it because it's been sitting here for a while. Also, this clear gloss from Sephora collection, I got this recently. It's great. It's great on top of like literally any lip liner. So I think I'm going to take it out of this drawer and put this in my purse just because I feel like this would be good on the go. This I always use, but like the things underneath here, I just need to get out of this drawer. Like this needs to be thrown out. This is also empty. Are you playing with Teddy? I love this Rare Beauty blush, but I'm just gonna take it out of this drawer because I don't know. I just want, this is Charlotte Tilbury, so this goes in here. This gloss shouldn't be in here. This goes to my Giorgio Armani. Are you playing with Teddy? Let's do this. Did you put Teddy's bed like that? How's Teddy gonna get comfortable in there? Well, it seems like he might. Okay. I just feel like my lip products should go in a different drawer. So I'm gonna take my lip products out. I have a drawer in our room and it has a bunch of lip products. So I'm just gonna add these to it. I kid you not, the sun is coming out right now. And I just came back from my walk in the pouring rain. Okay, I have a drawer in our room for glitter products. So I'm gonna put those back in there. What is it, honey? I feel like half of these are old. Okay, it might not look like it, but I reorganized this and I put in this little tin can of the thing, I put like blushes and newer blushes, bronzers, all that in here, and also one lip product. Here's all my smaller things that I like to keep just all in one area, and then not really organizing that, but I took a lot out, so I'm gonna throw all of this out, get rid of that, put those away. So This to me is organized, believe it or not. And then this is good, this is good. So that's all I'm gonna do today for organizing, because I'm making Oakley lunch now, and nap time is like in an hour. Okay, I just cleaned off the top of this. I have to clean whatever that is on the wall. And then this, I just tried cleaning. The makeup is like stained, so I might have to do like a magic eraser on it. But yeah, all cleaned off for the most part. And now lunchtime. All right, it's lunchtime. Oakley's having some strawberries, sweet potato littles, and broccoli littles. And then I'm gonna give him milk and get him ready for his nap. I don't know what I'm gonna have for lunch today. I really don't. I think we're gonna have salmon for dinner, since yesterday was a pretty unhealthy day. But I don't know what I'm gonna have. So I'm gonna look to see what there is. I might do avocado toast. And then I ordered protein shakes because we're completely out. So I definitely am not eating enough protein over the last like 2 or 3 days. I'm slacking with the protein. So those hopefully are coming in the mail today. I think Walmart is out for delivery. So yeah, let's see what I'm gonna have. Side note, this is a little food review. This from Trader Joe's. Wow. This is the wild berry cheesecake ice cream. Best ice cream, hands down, I've ever had. If you like cheesecake, then you need this ice cream. It's like huge chunks of cheesecake in here. And then the blueberry swirl. It's just literally the best. Like cake chunks in here. So, oh my God. I hate how, I feel like Scott dipped into this because this feels a little bit lighter. But I hate how much I like that because not healthy. Also these cone things, these are pretty good too. Very messy and kind of broken. I forgot what they were called, but I think they're the cheesecake, just the cheesecake cones. Those are really good too. 10 out of 10 for both on it. Also this creamer, 10 out of 10. This is really good. And the coconut whipped cream that I showed you guys on my Instagram stories, also 10 out of 10. So I think when Oakley goes to sleep, I'm just gonna make myself avocado toast. I usually have lunch when he's sleeping because it's a lot easier to actually like enjoy a meal. So I'm gonna do avocado toast when he goes down, and that will probably just be my lunch for today. What doesn't want you in this drawer? This is for another day. I feel like I'm having a moment of weakness because now that we have cake in the fridge, I'm like, ooh, what if I just had one bite right now? Like I don't know, I want like sweets and I'm suddenly craving bad foods, and I know I need to stay strong because I'm actually seeing results. I'm on my 3rd week. Am I on my 3rd week or 4th week? I'm on my 3rd week and I'm seeing results, and I know I just need to keep doing what I've been doing, but it's just so tempting when you have dessert like here in your possession, you know? But I think I'm gonna end my vlog here so I can edit it while Oakley sleeps and do a workout as well and eat lunch. We gotta figure that out. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.